Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this cute little bamboo tray for your bathtub. It's a company called Perfect Life Ideas, and this is such a cute little tray. It has extending sides, and then there's like so much room for like your cups and soap and books and your phone. I think this is such a cute idea and such a great gift idea for all those people who love having like spa days at home and aren't able to get out because we all have kids. So the closest we get to going to a spa is our own bathtub. So I really like this because there's a spot for like your iPad or your books and like a little tray to do like crosswords or like word binds. That is my favorite. And just somewhere to set your phone. So make sure your phone's waterproof because you never know. And there's also a spot for like a wine or coffee or pop or whatever you prefer to drink. And then I'm also going to show you some super cute ideas to give this as a gift along with a Dollar Tree gift basket. So all these items I'm showing you were purchased from the Dollar Tree. There's so many name brand things that came out this year, so if you can find it, stock up on it because they are such great Christmas gifts. Like, you have no idea. Like, I would love something like this, especially seeing name brand items getting as gifts. Like, I think that's great. So I just picked up this basket from the Dollar Tree. I added some of this like pillow stuffing. I thought that looked so cute for a basket. And they had those Emopi nail files. And then like right now you can always find candles and stuff like that. I got this one from Kohl's. I think it's just a little bit nicer and higher end. And then if you can throw in a book or like body wash, hand soap, face, like anything that somebody would want for a spa day. I think this is such a cute little gift idea. And right now, the Dollar Tree has so many different like face mask options. So they have like the little charcoal, and they also have those Yes To face masks. So you can find those, pick a few up because they are regular priced $3. So I thought these would be a super cute gift idea as well. And even if you don't want to spend this much money, because obviously we buy Dollar Tree items and stuff really does tend to add up. So this total basket was probably about $20. Plus, I thought that the bamboo tray, I thought this would look so cute under a Christmas tree or bringing it in and like wrapping it up as a gift. I didn't wrap any of this stuff up because there's always such a glare when you do like the little gift wrapping and stuff like that. So I didn't wrap everything. And then I also threw in like some shampoo and conditioner. You can really just adjust this however you want. I did a couple different baskets just to show you because I know there's some items you just cannot buy at the Dollar Tree anymore. But what's a good book and just like some bath or like bath bombs or anything like that, because I know they sell a bunch of bath bombs in that Bolero. So I thought that there was just a couple different options you could do, and if you have a budget of only like $50 per person, then I think this is a fantastic idea. And I'm probably seriously rambling right now, but I love making gift baskets for people. I think these are the cutest gifts that you could give anybody. But I love the Dollar Tree like anybody else, but I always feel that you need to just give out like one nice gift that's going to last for quite a while. But I really love this bamboo tray. I think it's a really nice quality. And then just to clean it, you just need like warm water and a little bit of soap. And then once in a while, you do need to use like some like wood oil just to clean it up a little bit and make it last a lot longer.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? And
then the last idea I had was just to put some products on the tray. I thought this looked really, really cute. And especially if you brought something like this in, like all wrapped up for a gift, I think anybody would really enjoy this. But that is it for my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that gives you some kind of inspiration for Christmas because it is coming up in a few weeks. But if you do want to check out this bamboo tray, I will leave the link in the description box below, so you'll be able to do that. And if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.